welcome back to my channel. So I have another wig that I'm putting on today. This one is from BestLace, and this one is a kinky curly unit, 180 density. This is what it looks like, and there's a lot of parting space in here. I believe it's 6 inches of parting space. I'll double check, but I think it's 6 inches. It looks like 6 inches. So I'm putting this one on today. It looks so good, and the hairline looks really good. So I want to put my perfect line in the parting area. It's plucked really good. Like, look at that. They're really good at plucking, and their lace is really good. So I put the perfect line in my parting area. I used the shade tan. I don't know if I told you guys that or not. But now I can go ahead and cut the lace. But before I cut the lace, I'm going to go ahead and section out this part in the front because it's a little bit too far down on my forehead. And you guys know I like to leave as much as my natural forehead space as possible. So I'm sectioning this out, and I'm going to remove this when I remove the lace. So I'm just going to take my scissors and cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible. And then when I get to that little part at the top, I'm just going to cut that smooth off.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what is gonna be?
Look how good that looks. Like literally just from cutting the lace off, it looks so good. But because I cut a little bit of the plucked part off, I'm gonna take my tweezers and just pluck a tiny bit in the front and then a little bit on like the temple area. And then for my adhesive today, I'm going to use the Got2B glue spray, the OG, and then this Got2B glue. This is actually for wigs. Like they came out with a bonding glue for wigs, and this combo together works really, really good. So I go in with the bonding glue gel first, and then I go in with the spray after I do the gel. But it works so good, y'all.
Baby squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. Fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company?
So while I have the wig tied down, I'm going to go ahead and do something to the curls. So I'm using my LovelyBryana curl cream and then the Dew Mousse. So I'm going to mix these two together with a little bit of water, and then I'm going to go in with my Tangle Teaser to get these curls to pop. And then I'm going to put the diffuser nozzle on my Dyson and use that to dry the hair and give it some volume.
Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
So this is how the hair came out, y'all. Look how bomb that hairline looks. But then I decided to cut a few pieces in the front just to kind of frame my face a bit and give it a little bit of layering. Okay, y'all, so I am all done. This is what it looks like. Look at this. It looks so good. Y'all can see like all the wrinkles under my eyes. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I need to look at the back. I need to get a mirror and look. I tried to shape it the best I could on both sides. But this is it. And I was going to do the half up, half down. I still might do it. But this looks so cute. Like, look at this. Look at the shape. I could do a side situation. Like, look at that. I need to like clean it up a little bit because you know how it gets sticky because of the spray dripping. But look at that. I like the middle. I feel like I need to put some big earrings in. But I don't know now. Should I just do it anyway? It's on pretty good right now. Like, look at that. That look creepy. But yeah, so it's on. I'm just, so the half up, half down style, I was going to do like, I don't want to mess the curls up. I was going to do like this. And then just, oh, I can still do it. Let's try. Let's try. It's not, I'm not going to, I'm probably lying. So I wanted to slick it. I wanted to slick the side, which is still pretty slick because of the glue and stuff, or the gel and the spray. Let's just see.
No stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it.
Okay, so this is how it came out. It didn't come out as cute as I thought it was gonna come out. It looks cute from the side, like, and like the back. But I don't really like it in the front. I don't think I left enough hair in the ponytail. But this is how it came out. I think I'm gonna take it down and leave it how I had it in the beginning.